Hello, my name is Courtney Worrell, and this is my project for my final project. I'm also a sophomore biology major with a minor of nutrition and information science and technology, which is why I'm taking this class. The project for my final project is Mina the ballerina, and it's an animated story that I created on Rimpy. I chose to do a Rimpy animated story because I thought it'd be easy to come up with the storyline because I wrote it off of things that I like. So as you see, the main characters include me and my friends, Inai and Kamore, and then Mina, who's the main character. I don't know who that is. I just chose the name Mina because it rhymed with ballerina, and she's more so like the main character. So, and then a struggle I thought I would have would be to come up with the ideas to like actually draw the images, because that would technically be like the challenge for me, drawing the images, because I'm not the best artist. Like, I'm good at painting, but like drawing, not so much. But I think I did a pretty good job drawing the images. While using this Rimpy program, I noticed that it was similar to Python in the way that you can get a lot of errors for stupid stuff. One was that like it hates capital letters. One time I was like typing something, accidentally put a capital, and it like gave me this long error. Another one is that indentation is very important, and they actually don't use like the tab. Their indentation is like a number of spaces. I think it was like 5 to 7. And then also with this, when you write the script for the story, it all goes on one file. So that file is like really long. So when I would get an error, I would have to search the file, and the like lines of the file aren't numbered. So that made it kind of hard to find it. And then the main challenge that I had while actually completing this project wasn't until I was basically finished with the project, which was actually uploading the files to the Rimpy program. That was quite a bit of a struggle for me because I keep getting this error where it says something about it. I can actually insert a photo of what the errors say because I already emailed them to Professor Rosen to ask if he like knew what they meant. But yeah, I couldn't figure it out. I added the photos to the file where the photos used in the Rimpy tutorial were, but when I did that, it was saying like I can't add the files to that folder because it's a read-only one. So then I checked to make sure my account was a read and write account, and it was, but it was still saying like if somebody else was to view it, it would be read only. I tried to change that, but it told me I didn't have permission to change that, so it was just like a whole big thing. So then I made a copy of the file and made a new folder for all the story images to go, and that still didn't quite work. So yeah, that was just a whole big thing. I'm still going to insert all the images because I appreciate all the work that I put into it. It was a fun concept to do. I made a cute little story about my friends. I got to be creative and express things that I enjoy doing while also working on a skill that we've been building this whole semester. And that was basically my recap of my project, and I hope you enjoyed.